Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make time for yourself. Begin by recognizing that your well-being is paramount. Treat self-care like any other important appointment, scheduling it into your calendar first. This ensures you dedicate precious moments to yourself, making it a priority rather than an afterthought. Remember, taking care of yourself allows you to better care for others, improving your overall capacity and happiness. Once you've identified your self-care needs, actively block out time in your schedule. Treat these blocks as sacred, non-negotiable appointments. Clearly communicate your boundaries to those around you, whether it's family or colleagues. Learning to politely decline requests that don't align with your personal time is a powerful skill, protecting your dedicated moments for rejuvenation. In our hyper-connected world, distractions are constant. During your designated self-time, make a conscious effort to minimize digital noise. Turn off phone notifications, close unnecessary tabs, and resist the urge to check emails or social media. Creating a quiet, focused environment, even for 20 minutes, allows you to fully immerse yourself in your chosen activity, enhancing its restorative power. Remember, self-care doesn't always require large blocks of time. Even 5 or 10 minutes of mindful breathing, a short walk, or listening to a favorite song can make a significant difference. Integrate these small, consistent moments throughout your day. Over time, these brief periods of intentional self-connection accumulate, building a powerful and sustainable routine for your overall well-being.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.